San Diego's most popular local morning news. Good morning, San Diego.
Okay, when we come back, when Good Morning San Diego continues, we're checking back in with Bridget Naso, live at KIPP Adelante Prep School. Hi, Bridget.
We are indeed, and students heading back to class after their big opening and awards meeting every morning. We'll check in once again in the science lab with 5th grade class and see what they're working on this morning. This is a school like no other in San Diego. We're going to introduce you to some of the students coming up in just a moment.
And this just in, Bridget Naso.
Back to school.
Back to school.
She's live downtown at the KIPP Adelante Prep School this morning with one lucky teacher. Hi, Bridget.
Hey, Bridget.
Hi. Good morning once again to all of you. We are so impressed with KIPP Adelante School this morning. We're back in the science classroom with Priscilla Maureen, and she is one outstanding teacher. She was picked out of thousands of teachers with KIPP, or 1,000 teachers, and won a special award. We actually have some video of that, Priscilla, we're going to show. Do we want to go ahead and roll that tape and we can take a look at that? It is so nice to be recognized. You were given a $10,000 award for your teaching methods. Talk about why you like working with KIPP so much.
I love the high standards here. I love that my colleagues are committed to moving these students on to excellent high schools and colleges. I love that the students come in and are really ready to work.
Yeah, we're so impressed with the students. Are very polite. They pay attention very closely. They seem very organized. And now you're teaching science to 5th graders. Talk about some of the things that they're learning. I heard you just before we went on camera here talking about different types of bodies of water.
We were talking about the different types of water you find on the planet, and we will eventually be moving into weather systems, so we're trying to get ready for that.
This is all geared toward college prep.
Exactly.
Yeah, the idea is to motivate them now, and then how do you get them excited about going to college?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, our classes are named after colleges and universities, and this would be the UC Berkeley team. 5th grade also has a Michigan State team and a SDSU, San Diego State University, a local school. And so we bring in news about those colleges. We take them there at the end of the year. They go on various trips to the colleges, all the way across country, even to Boston to visit Harvard and Boston College, MIT. So we're trying to get them to see themselves there. Very impressive. We've got a couple of students we're going to talk to this morning. We're going to talk to Marissa and Carlos. We'll start with you, Marissa. What do you like about Miss Maureen's science class?
I like that we get to do very fun things, like we get to do fun vocabulary, and we get and then we get to learn about all sorts types of water.
All sorts of types of water. One thing you're studying now. And let's see, Carlos. I'm going to step back over here. Tell me about coming here to KIPP. Why do you like KIPP so much as a student? What makes this a great school?
Well, KIPP is a very strict school. I understand because they want the students to be really good, so they set boundaries, and they want to be.
Does that help? Does that help you be a better learner?
Yes, because they tell you, you do it, you don't pay attention to the consequences. So
helps you stay focused, right? Yeah. And what subjects do you like best here?
I'm going to say math and science. In the future, science, we're going to do experiments, chemistry. Math, I just love math.
You know what, Joe Lazura is going to take a look at weather here in the science classroom. Almost every student we talked to this morning loves math.
They do. They love math because the school has a lot. Has a lot to do with that. The teachers make math fun here, and they get to do some fun things with math. And so you guys are studying. The papers that you're working on right now is called. What are you working on here? One type of water on the planet is. You're going to answer that question. Another one is what final type of water on the planet. So you have these questions. Okay. So there are 3 different types of water available on Earth: salt water, fresh water in glaciers and polar ice caps, and surface water and groundwater. So what are you going to be working on in here? Are you going to be drawing colors of percentages of water, aren't you?
Yes.
So what you're going to do is you're going to be doing how much of the Earth is colored in salt water. You're going to color green, and yellow will be in glaciers, and blue will be in groundwater. It'll be fun. I'll help you guys out with it. It'll be fun. All right? If you need my help, I'll be here for a while. I can be your weather assistant. So I'm going to tutor for a little while, you guys. That should be fun. For just a few minutes. They'll probably know more than me, but I'll do the best I can to keep up with them.
I was going to say, you get a chance to show how smart you are.
Yeah, and I'll answer some of these fun questions.
Do you still remember all that